think you should.
What is going on, YouTube? Crypto TV back with another brand new episode on cryptocurrency. I hope you guys liked my last video about the Arnold convention. It was a really nice time going there. Had a lot of fun, met a lot of cool people that I look up to in the fitness industry. And I want to know if you guys want to see me do some videos at the gym, maybe. Show you guys some cool workouts that I do and my personal, I guess, physique and what you guys can do if you wanted to maybe get to my level of fitness or learn something from it. I just want to know your guys' opinion. If you want to see something like that, a cool little video of me at the gym and what my physique looks like, leave a comment below. I'd love to show you guys. I've been working out for around 2.5 years now, so I do have a lot of knowledge in the fitness culture, and it's one of my hobbies besides cryptocurrency that I'd like to share with you guys as you guys learn a little bit more about me. But otherwise, let's just jump right into this video. As you can see, if I refresh the page on CoinMarketCap, you'll notice that most currencies are up today, as well as the market cap is almost back to $500 billion. We're at almost $470 billion, so that's nice to see. Bitcoin almost at 11,500. Litecoin at 211 and Ethereum at 864, but we're pretty much having a good, solid, uptrending day. If I click on Litecoin, you'll notice a very interesting pattern that I've seen. Not really sure what I can make of it, but I'd like to give you my opinion on it. What I've noticed happen right now, I'm just going to delete this because it's in the way, is we're literally bouncing off of this middle moving average on the 4-hour candle. If I go onto the daily, you'll notice, if it loads anytime soon. All right, interesting. Don't load for me. That's fine. Basically, if it loads, there's an interesting move it's making right now that seems to be traceable, and I can pretty much calculate what it may do in the future. I'd like to show you guys this if it loads. Here we go. All right, I guess I'll just explain what is happening on the 4-hour, and then we'll try and look at the daily. But on the 4-hour, you'll notice this line I drew right here. This seems to be a quite significant downtrending line that we can't seem to really break past. We have tested it numerous times. And what's also interesting is we are literally using the line of, we're using the middle moving average as a line of support from this line I just drew. You'll notice how every single time we touch this red band, we pop right up off of it and continue higher, which is very interesting to see. It's slightly concerning because when we retest that middle moving average, it's a signal that the bears are pushing us down really hard, and the bulls are trying to fight it by not letting it go below the middle moving average. So that's nice to see, but also interesting how we're kind of moving into the symmetrical triangle. So usually that's an indicator of a breakout. Now what's weird is this line at 212 is just huge resistance on Litecoin. Very interesting, but it can either act as a huge support or a huge resistance level. You'll notice in the past it has acted as support, but now it has turned around and it is acting as a nice hard line of resistance. So definitely, in order for Litecoin to make a move, we need to blast past 212. Because if we don't get above this, we're not going to reach higher highs. Not to say that there's not a chance we can go higher or that we're going to stay low, but the longer we chill here, there's a chance we're going to fall. The longer we hang out below this line of resistance here. So we do need to see a pop and a move higher in the currency soon. Otherwise, I'm going to start having some fears. Cool. Finally, the daily loaded up. Nice to see that on the daily chart, the daily is showing a green or middle moving average finally crossing the red band, which is a strong indicator that we are going to go up. Very nice to see. Very nice play. You'll notice that this is a downtrend. Not really sure if it's going to break it. We could literally maybe draw this out like this. That seems to be a better line. Maybe even move this down. Something like that. Possibility. You'll notice this spinning top resulted in a switch and we fell down. But you'll notice this consolidation period for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days where we have not been able to break 211, 212. So very interesting. Hopefully we're able to pop. Seeing that we finally are crossing the resistance, the red band is an indicator that we will go up. So definitely keep my eye on Litecoin. I do have a lot of my own personal finances in Litecoin, although I'm not telling anyone to invest. Use your own discretion. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't really take responsibility of your finances. As for Bitcoin, let's check out that. Very interesting play on Bitcoin as well. You'll notice again retesting a strong line of resistance at around 11,400, 11,500. Let's see. Yeah, around 11,500. I could probably move this up a little bit if that helps people. You'll just notice how many times we've retested that line acting as resistance for Bitcoin. I did call that we were going to pop up off this line, which is exactly what happened, but this is a trouble point for Bitcoin. We need to see a push above 11,500 to start acting as support for Bitcoin, and until I see that, I'm going to stay bearish on it. You'll notice that we are kind of oversold in the RSI, so very interesting. It is nice to see that the green band did cross over the red band, indicating a upward trend, but we still need to be able to push above this 11,400 mark. Seems like in today's crypto that resistance bands are playing very, very, very good game. You'll compare to last year where we were just able to blow through these resistances. They are now being very tough on certain cryptos. Let's check out Ethereum. Another very interesting play here. You'll notice after this downtrend we did pop out, but this 877 mark is acting as resistance. Very interesting, very called for. You'll notice the green band did cross over red, acting as resistance and a downtrend. But the interesting thing is we still have not been able to pop 878. So unless we're able to build up some steam and get some volume into these currencies, we might be staying here. So definitely need to see some increase in volume for us to pop out. And if we do see an increase in the volume, we should pop right out and see some very nice all-time highs, if not just some very nice moves in the crypto. So definitely keep an eye out for Ethereum as well, because I'm still waiting for a pop in that currency. You'll notice that we don't seem to hit any lines of resistance until right around 968. So definitely a move to pay attention to. If we can break this, we should see a nice run up in crypto. So definitely pay attention to Ethereum. That should be a nice move as well. Let's check out another viewer's or commenter's suggestion as to what crypto to look at next. Just going to recopy this website so we can get a new page open. All right, let's see who commented. Let's do... Trying to find a person's who I didn't already do. Let's see. Let's try this currency. See if we can get a a chart up for it. I'm going to just type in KC. The coin is called KCS by Dave Dog. It was recommended by him. So I'm trying to... It's called KuCoin. So I'm not sure why it's not coming up, but we will try and find it on Google. I always notice that there is a little bit of lag when I am streaming, but let's see if it pops up. Cool. KuCoin technical analysis. Is there any way to view it? Very difficult. I'm not sure I can find a coin to review. I can't seem to find KuCoin. If any of you know where I can view these currencies on the market, let me know because I can't find it. This may be a possible lead, but if that doesn't work, let's pick another person to review. Let's check out, ooh, no, I don't think that's it. Let's check out, let's see. Let's do Dodger07 said CDG. Indicator, Cindicator, so let's see if that works. Because I'd love to find these coins, but they never seem to pop up on TradingView. CDG, USD. No, CDG. That's not even coming up on CoinMarketCap. So Dodger07, please leave a comment explaining why I can't seem to find Cindicator on... Oh, that's why. CND, not CDG. I don't know if I wrote that down wrong or it was commented wrong, but Cindicator is CND. So let's try CND. CND USD, maybe that. Ah, there we go. Cool. We're making progress, guys. All right. So thank you, Dodger07, for commenting Cindicator as a coin to review. Let's jump right into this. I'm going on the US dollar market, and we are going to jump right in. I can see, and hopefully you guys can see some moves being made, some lines of resistance, some lines of support. That was not what I wanted to draw. So let's draw a horizontal line right here, acting as some support, as well as right here, and possibly right here. Do we have a higher one? That's a possible line of support too, based off of this volume right in this corner right here. As well as this being another line of support slash resistance. Now let's see if we can get a downtrend because that is clear as day. I'm going to go onto the daily chart, maybe get a better, more clear line of downtrend. Honestly, I think it would be something like that, possibly. Let's go back to the 4-hour. You'll notice that we, yeah, I'd say that's about right. You'll notice that we did we bottomed out right here. You'll notice twice. We had a double bottom, a clear indicator of a pop upwards. But you notice this downtrend, we are now currently retesting the downtrend. So notice that on this channel downwards, we retested this line of support here, a clear line of support, strong line. We tested it once, bounced, tested it twice, bounced, and usually after a double bottom we'll pop up higher. So you'll notice we popped right up, right out of this downtrend, retested the middle moving average. Notice we could not close above the middle moving average or move higher, so we fell once again and are now retesting the middle moving average for a second time. So that is a very interesting move in CND. So I'm not sure where we may go after that, but it is, if I would like to guess, it would be that we were going to come back down possibly either to this line of support or that line of support. So the run did happen out of this. It is possible we can see some more moving uptrend, but I'd wait to see where this candle goes, where this doji goes, whether it's going to come back down to retest that moving average or down here. But I would suggest if we do move down, this would be a good buy zone, only because you'll notice we really have not been able to break this line here. This is a big line of support for CND. So hopefully that helps you guys, and helps. I believe, who was it who recommended it? Dodger07. Hopefully that helps you guys out. And otherwise, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below as to what cryptocurrency you'd like to see me review next, as well as leave a comment as to whether or not you guys want to see what a good training routine and what my training routine is at the gym, and what I do to lose weight, build muscle, and just show you guys my physique. I'd love to get into that, as show you guys my other hobbies besides cryptocurrency while I'm at college. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.